Okay, I know it's been difficult for some of you with this coding. Some of you have just really struggled here, and that's okay. It's all about exposure. I want your brains to hurt a little bit. I want them to feel a little bit fried. I want them to feel a little bit stretched and worked. But now let's go do something easy, because sometimes you just gotta go have fun when you're struggling with code and you're learning. So what we're gonna do is we're gonna go up here to assets, and we're going to import a package. And we're going to import this environment package right here. This may take a little time to download. Why didn't I show you this first? Because I didn't want you just importing a bunch of things. Go ahead and hit import. I wanted you to actually learn how to build things from scratch with Maya, because then you're liberated to create whatever you want. And that's how and my goal for you is that you feel empowered to go out and make your own games, make your own characters, make your own props and assets. And when you can do that, you're going to feel like the world's your oyster. You're going to feel in charge. You're going to feel like you can do anything, okay? So don't worry about all these little bugs here. We're going to go ahead and hit clear. Let's go ahead and look through the things we just downloaded. So if we go to project and we go back to our assets, we're going to have standard assets now right here. And we've got some stuff here. Let's go into environment. Let's go into speed tree. And let's go to broadleaf. And what we're going to do is we're just going to grab this tree right here and we're going to put it right into our scene, just like that. And if I hit the F button, oh, we're stuck in game view. I need to go to scene view here. There we go. Now, if we hit the F key, we can frame in on this tree. It's tiny by comparison to our scene. And you know what this lets me know? This is why I'm having such crazy issues with jumping and my scene going so, my character falling so incredibly slowly. And that's why in my code here where I had to multiply, and you probably didn't have to do this if your scene wasn't as big as mine, but I had to multiply times 2,000 to get him to jump halfway up in the air, right? And the reason for that is because, look, this is a normal sized tree. Look how big my scene is. My scene is huge. So what can I do about that? Well, I can scale the tree up and keep everything as is, but this is a problem, and I need to fix it. So what I'm going to show you how to do is, if you ran into the same problem as me, we're going to go ahead and fix this problem, and in the next lesson, and we'll get Gravity working again like it should be. I'll see you then.